Hi, today we are at GLA University, Mathura, where we have done Electric Vehicle Research and Innovation Center (EV-RIC) from Decibels Lab Private Limited. So the main purpose of this EV lab is to give a fundamental on the electric vehicle components and other powertrain systems. So first we have cell formats. As you can see, we have different cell formats in cylindrical, prismatic, pouch, where students will be able to understand a lot of other parameters on cell selection, such as what is the galvanometric, what is the power to weight distribution, what are the different chemistries, what are the different cell sizes which can be used in building a battery pack. So here, when we come to the next, we have mid-drive motor cut section and hub motor cut section, right? So where you can exactly see how a motor controller is built, what are the features it contains, how the mid-drive motor cut section looks like, what is the rotor, what is the stator, right? We will be able to clearly differentiate between a hub motor and a mid-drive motor. So students can understand that what is the usability of each motors. So here, when we come, we have EV connectors and contactor. So we have SA J1772, CCS Type 2, which all of these connectors are used in our day-to-day electric vehicles, such as the EV cars which we see in India. And here are the scooter level segments connectors which we see, and the contactors which are used for the charging part and the discharging part. So here, if we come, you can see this is a complete EV powertrain for bench level setup. As you can see, it contains complete auxiliary systems of a two-wheeler setup. And we have a traction motor, traction battery pack, the charger, motor controller, and complete HMI setup. Right here, students will be able to learn about BMS parameters. What are the safety parameters we can see actually in a battery management system, and the tuning parameters in a motor controller system, by which a student will be able to understand the application level of a motor controller and a BMS in an EV part. So when we come here, so we have cell testing and characterization unit, where a student will be able to understand cells chemistry of different formats and different chemistries too, where they will be able to understand what is a character of this particular cell, such as cylindrical, prismatic, pouch, by which he will be able to understand where the exact application will be there. So we have here battery pack testing machine. So that where we saw a cell level. Now when cells are combined and made a battery pack, how it behaves in terms of different charging rate, in terms of different discharging rate, that will be able to understand here, analyze the data, and future it can be studied for the model-based designing to implement on the BMS level. So now when we talk about BMS, first we have a single cell BMS kit. A student will be able to clearly understand how to write an algorithm for a battery management system, how to be implemented, how it enhances and protects the overall battery pack. Once a student is able to understand the algorithm at the single cell level, we have a complete setup at the multi-cell level. So here we have multi-cell BMS, a traction battery pack, a charger, a DC load. Also, this system is completely integrated with a specialized model-based design course, which is in MATLAB, where they'll be able to write the algorithms and deploy to the BMS board and understand how it protects, how it prefix. So yes, this was a complete EV research center at GLA University, presented by Decibels Lab Private Limited. Thank you.